Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type www.salesforce.com in the address bar. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Salesforce username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If your organization uses single sign-on, you might see a different login method. For single sign-on, click on the appropriate link provided by your organization. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions to retrieve or reset your information. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment while Salesforce authenticates your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Salesforce dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.